It's Mike Seuss, and I just got back from the Cybertruck Delivery event in Texas, and it was insane. I got to take a full tour of the Cybertruck assembly line, getting an exclusive look at every little detail of how it's assembled. I got to see some of the office space, and even got to drive around Giga Texas property itself. It was an amazing experience, and because I love you guys so much, I got to record the entire experience to share with you. So buckle up and enjoy it from beginning to end. I won't interrupt, but I will speak every now and then to let you know what's happening on the screen. Make sure to stay until the end to see Elon himself speak and see some cool customized Cybertrucks. Enjoy. So after we got to see a detailed look at how the Cybertruck was assembled, now we're headed to the actual delivery event. This is the big part. If you watched the delivery event live, this is where it all took place. This room was filled with people and it was insane.
but these things are rare. It's very rare that a product comes along that is seemingly impossible, that people said was impossible, that experts said was impossible. And this is one of those times. We have a car here that experts said was impossible, that experts said would never be made, that it really is the most, I think it's our best product. I think it's the most unique thing on the road. And finally, the future will look like the future. Yeah, so if Al Capone showed up with a Tommy gun and emptied the entire magazine into the car door, he would still be alive. So, and so people say like, well, why'd you make it bulletproof? I'm like, why not? Do you want to? How tough is your truck? Because the other trucks, the bullets go through both sides. So for those who are early into the truck world, there's something in the truck world called a truck pull. This is really the key test of how much power does your truck actually have. So you have to pull this 40,000 pound sled. And when we went to the track, we said, well, what's the best that you've seen? I said, well, it'd be the Ford F-350 diesel. It was like, well, let's put our truck up against that. The guy who runs the truck pool said, there's no way. There's no way. I said, well, let's try it. Let's see what happens. We actually had to slightly turn the car at the end so it didn't hit the wall. So this. But wait, there's more.
I didn't get to get a good view here, but this is where Elon Musk personally delivered a few Tesla Cybertrucks to the first customers. It was really cool to see this. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like these two videos. Until next time, peace.